So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video what we are going to learn is how we can integrate the Flare in our Flutter project. Okay, so the official website of this Flare is 2dimensions.com, where we can get the tools for apps, games and website. Okay, so the link of the website will be given in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. So you can see that there are two options, that is Nema and Flare give us the vector images and Nema give us the raster graphics. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go for the Flare. Okay, so just click on the Flare. So it will take us to a new page where it will show something like this. Okay, that says insanely fast vector animation for apps, game and web. Okay, so you can see you can use the Flare for vector designing apps and game. Okay, so you have to sign in here or register using Facebook email or etc. Okay, so I have logged in using my Facebook. So what you have to do, you have to click your files and just click on new Flare. Okay, as I have done something before, I will click on the new file. Okay, so if you click on the new file, new Flare, it will show your some artboard like this. It will be empty. Okay, so you have to create something using these things. Okay, so first I will use two rectangles. Okay, I have one rectangle like this, and let me get one rectangle like this. Okay, and after that you can just use this, and we can just scale using this 50 and 600. Okay, yeah, and when we click this, let me give this something 600 and again here 50. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to animate this. Okay, this is animate. So just we can click here animate, and we have to just select one rectangle here. So just click here for these rectangle and rotation. Okay, this is done. Okay, now when we click here, let me just click here this mm, this and rotation is this. Okay, so you can see that our vector has been added here. Okay, now what we have to do, as our project moves, we have to animate them. Okay, so the point it goes, okay, we have to animate them. Okay, so we have to give a rotation. It will go 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. Okay, here, and this will also go 45 degree. Yeah. Okay, and after some time it will again go 45 degree, it will go 90 degree. Yeah, and it will again go 90 degree. Okay, so you can see that it goes. And if we can start from here, let me see. Yeah, it just rotated. Okay, so let me again do something like this. It's again here 90, so let me give this 135. Okay, like this, and at the same point this is 90, and let me give it again 135. Okay, after some point this will be 180. Okay, and this will also be 180. Basically the whole thing works on math. Okay, so you can see that, yeah, it is doing something rotation. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just animate it, like we can set the corner radius to 50. Yeah, and let the corner radius be 0 again. Yeah. Okay, and let the corner radius of this be 50 at that point also, and let this be 0 at that point. Okay, so let's see what the outcome comes. at this point we don't want the this to 0, let it be. Okay, we don't want it to be 0 at that point. Okay, so you can see that our this is done. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to export this file. Okay, okay, so for exporting just click on the right hand corner, export. Okay, so it will say engine is Flutter. Okay, and just check the format is binary. Okay, just click on the export, so it will give a file to be downloaded. Okay, so yeah, just save this file. So this file has been downloaded. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, yeah, and let us this file will be downloaded in the download section. So let us go to the download section. Come on. Yeah, why my laptop is hanging. Okay, so you can just go to the download section of it, so you can see that there is a file like this. Okay, let us rename this file as NIME NIANIME. Okay, .flr is the extension of that file. Okay, so just copy this file. Okay, and go to your IntelliJ, and in that IntelliJ just create a assets folder. Okay, and just paste the file inside that. Okay, yeah, okay, so just paste that file inside that folder. Okay, and after that go to that pubsec dot YAML file. Okay, and in that Flutter just say assets, and in that asset just type the not open dot what was our name, NIME dot FLR. Okay, so we have something in assets folder which has a NIME dot FLR file. Okay, just get that. Okay, so it will just get the dependency if it needs something. Okay, yeah, it will run. Okay, so this is done. Yeah, okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to go to a site that is 2D ins. It is the GitHub repository. The link of this GitHub repository will be given in the description below. So what we have to do, we have to just download this. Okay, just download this file. Okay, and after downloading this file just unzip it. Okay, in that file you will get something like this. Just open the library function, the library. Okay, and you will get 3 files there. Okay, the 3 files in the library, that I have deleted those. Just cut those file and paste those file in the library. The 3 files are this file flare folder, flare.dart, and the flare actor.dart. Okay, so after that just let me get the dependencies. Okay, now for after that, after getting the dependencies and pasting all the files here, just import the flare actor. Okay, we have imported the flare actor. Okay, and now you can see this is the exoskeleton of our flare project, Flutter project. In this scaffold, what is we have to do, we have to give a app bar. You all know that app bar, and it has a app bar basically have a title will be text will be flare demo. Okay, and after that we have a body. Okay, and in that body we will ask for flare actor. Okay, this flare actor asks for a file name. Okay, the file name will be flare box will also, and in that there will be file name will be this. Okay, and I'm dot flare part. Okay, so that will be assets slash anim dot flr. Okay, comma, after that there will be align animation will be anim. Okay, and after that animation we have alignment will be alignment dot center. alignment dot center. After that, what we will do, we will do the colors. Okay, color dot red. Okay, let me give this colors dot red. Okay, yeah, so these things are done. Okay, I think it is done now. So yeah, I don't think there is any error. Let me minimize this. We have done. Yeah, we have imported everything. Okay, so let us just run it. Okay, so let us just run it and see what the output comes. Okay, so let us run it. Okay, yeah, okay, so we are done with our project, and it's initializing the Gradle. So guys, if you want the code of this files, it will be given in that my GitHub repository, and the link of my GitHub repository will be given below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Okay, and if you have any query regarding any of the things, please write down in the comment section and I will get back to you on that. Okay, so we will meet up after the dependencies are resolved. Okay, so you can see that the APK has been built and the APK is now installing in my mobile phone. And you know that I always use a physical device, I don't use an emulator. Okay, so now it will install the APK in my phone and it will just sync the files. Okay, and yeah guys, don't forget to like our Facebook page, Codecave page, on Facebook. And you can post your projects or anything, any query on that. Okay, so now the app has been installed in my phone and now it will sync for some time. Okay, yeah, so it is syncing. Okay, so now let us see what the output comes. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Okay, okay, so you can see that this is the animation. We got the animation but we don't get the animated part. No one, let me just restart that. Okay, so I think that there is something error. Why don't we get the animated part? So let me check the code for one sec. Okay, let me just remove this anim part and check it, set it to open, because it should be an animation should be open. Okay, and let us rerun it. Okay, the point, it will just again initialize and resolve the dependencies. Okay, and the code of this Flare project will be uploaded in my GitHub repository. So just go to my GitHub repository and check for that. Okay guys, so we will wait for few seconds for Gradle to resolve, and after that we will meet up. So you can see that the APK has been built, and it's installing again in my phone, and now it will just sync for the device. Okay, so it will be done in few seconds. Okay, so just wait for few seconds, guys. Okay. Okay, you can see that the file is synced. Okay, and now you can see the output. Okay, so now you can see, let me restart it, and you can see that the animation is as we draw in our Flare project. Okay, it is just rotating. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like the video, and if you like and you got something educational from this video, just give it a thumbs up, and just share with your friends, and must visit our Facebook page, that is Code Cave, and the link of this page will be in the description below. So thank you, have a nice day.